Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Humana health insurance step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Humana website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on register to create one. Follow the prompts to input your personal information. After logging in, explore the dashboard for available options. To check your coverage, navigate to the My Coverage section. Here, you can review details about your plan. If you need to find a doctor, select the Find a Provider tool. This allows you to search for in-network physicians near you. Input your location and the type of provider you need. Review the list of results and choose a provider that fits your needs. For prescription medications, go to the Pharmacy section. You can search for your medications, due costs, and find nearby pharmacies. If you need to file a claim, select the Claims option. Follow the instructions to submit your claim electronically. To access your benefits, click on the Benefits tab. Here, you'll find detailed information about what your plan covers. If you need assistance, visit the Help or Contact Us section. You can chat online, send an email, or call customer service. Keep your plan information and policy number handy when reaching out. For updates on health and wellness resources, check the Wellness section. This may include tools for managing your health, fitness tips, and programs. Review any available educational materials to understand your benefits better. Explore your member portal regularly for any changes or updates to your plan. Lastly, stay informed about deadlines for enrollment and renewals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.